Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly pin absolutely any chat on your Instagram page. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video, write your comments and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, dear friends, let us get started with you. Please open the Instagram app on your device. And then you'll need to go to your chats or conversations. To do that, you can either swipe from the right side to the left side, or at the top, click on the Chats option. And here, friends, let's say if you would like to pin some chat, you will need to swipe it from the right side to the left side. And you'll either have 3 dots that you have to click on and select Pin. Or you can have a pin mark right away when you swipe instead of 3 dots. It depends on what kind of Instagram update you have. And in this way you can friends pin several such chats at once. It is very convenient, especially for those people who communicate a lot and are attributed in Instagram. With many people to not look for them later, you will always see them. And in the same way for the future you can unfriend any of the chats. The same way you just swipe, press the 3 dots and click Unhook. That's how it works. That's the very quick, simple, and easy method to pin your Instagram chats. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to write comments, put your likes, and subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.